Now, being able to enter all these values is great, but let's make sure that now this cancel button also closes this modal overlay when tapped. And to achieve this, we have to go to this function here, which is assigned to this cancel button. And of course, we could also convert this into a method that belongs to this class and then just point at it. But here I'll work with this anonymous function just like that. But inside of this function, we now want to use another built-in class provided by Flutter, the navigator class, which we'll see again a little bit later in the course once we dive deeper into navigation and how we can switch between different screens. And this navigator class has a pop method, which we can execute, which wants the current context as an argument. So this context value, which we get automatically here in this build method. So this is passed in by Flutter, and we have to kind of forward it to the pop method. And pop simply removes this overlay from the screen. So if we save that and I click cancel, you see the overlay closes. So that's pretty good. The next step now is to make sure that this text field widget here doesn't take up its entire row, but that it instead sits next to another input-like element, not a text field actually, but some other widget which we will kind of treat like an input element, that then allows us to select a date that should be attached to this expense.